The girls concluded their season by hosting their first soccer tournament at Memorial Park in Lodi, New Jersey, hosted by ESPN soccer analyst Monica Gonzales.
Warm it up just a little bit.
Okay, we got 9 players. 9 players.
It is on, girls. Today I decided to just jump out on the field and work with the girls directly one-on-one. Good, 3, hang on, I'm coming, yeah. Good, push them up, get up. Sometimes it's good to realize all the ways that soccer can make your life better. You're all learning how to interact with one another and how to work as a team. You know where that's going to help you later on in life? In everything you do. 2, 3, Sound of Gol! Okay, we got to warm up, We got to warm up.